Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Let's get into the video today and learn 10 new information.
What is the word Quran means? Your options are option A to recite or option B to write. The right answer is option A to recite. What is the word Wahi means? Your options are option A revelation or option B order. The right answer is option A revelation. What is the meaning of Surah Al-Fatiha? Your options are option A, the reciter, or option B, the opening. The right answer is option B, the opening. What is the meaning of Surah Al-Baqarah? Your options are option A, goat, or option B, cow. The right answer is option B, cow. What is the meaning of Surah Al Imran? Your options are option A, the family of Imran, or option B, the family of Ibrahim. The right answer is option A, the family of Imran. What is the meaning of Surah An-Nisa? Your options are option A, the group, or option B, the woman. The right answer is option B, the women. What do you understand by the word halal? Your options are option A, permissible for Muslims to do or consume is halal. Option B, prohibited for Muslims to do or consume is halal. The right answer is option A, permissible for Muslims to do is called halal. What do you understand by the word haram? Your options are option A, permissible for Muslims to do or consume is haram, or prohibited for Muslims to do or consume is haram. The right answer is option B, prohibited for Muslims to do or consume is haram. What do you understand by the word mashkook? Your options are option A, permissible, or option B, doubtful. The right answer is option B, doubtful. What are the things a person cannot do without performing wudu? Your options are option A, Salah, touch Quran, make sajda tilawa and tawaf of Kaaba, or option B, recite Quranic verses. The right answer is option A, Salah, touch Quran, make sajda tilawa or tawaf of Kaaba.
Every new information you learn about Islam and share with others, inshallah, you will be rewarded sadaqah jariyah for it. So to learn more information about Islam consistently, subscribe to our channel and check our new videos. If you are new to this video, please check our old episodes and subscribe to our channel. Alhamdulillah.